Yo, what's really good? You're now watching Grind Capital. Another day, another dollar, and another day of getting this crypto, baby. Now, before I get into this video, full disclosure, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Only invest what you're willing to lose. Now, let's get it. So we're doing the turning 50 into 50K challenge, which is going to be very difficult to do, but we're going to implement a strategy. Now, when you're dealing with high cap, high risk coins, it's always going to be risky, especially now with the crypto market being how it is because nobody wants to hold anymore. So you kind of have to know when to get in and get out. So some profits could be as much as 20%, even up to 500, 10,000%. It really depends on how the coin is moving. So I'm going to show you guys my strategy. But before I get into it, guys, feel free to join my Telegram group, Grind Capital. Right now, we're a growing community, and we're going to definitely build this up where you get news and up-to-date information on what's going on. And for this challenge, I am using Trojan Bot. This is my go-to bot. It has tons of features, including copy trade, limit orders, so forth and so on. Okay, guys, for this challenge, we will be using our Phantom wallet to hold the profits in, and we will be using Trojan Bot for the trades. So this Phantom wallet is kind of where we hold our profits as well as extra funds just in case we have to dump into it, because we are dealing with risky coins. Now, guys, understand that you will lose money doing this. There's no way not to lose money. The trick is how you handle losses. Do you go crazy? Do you go kamikaze? That's going to be the tip. So always trade according to your bankroll and only invest what you're willing to lose. Now, with this, I like to use Dex Screener. A lot of people like to go to Pump Fund and all that. I'm not doing all that, guys, because it's pretty much casino. But we want to limit the casino, guys. So what a friend told me, and it's actually pretty solid strategy, is if you notice a lot of coins that dump, they bounce back, especially with the low cap coins, the coins that go down to like 4, 5K, 10K. Sometimes they bounce back though, it really depends. So what I like to do is show you guys my settings. We're gonna go Solana or DEX. Minimum market cap, we're gonna go 5,000 because we don't, anything that's under 5,000 is a less likely chance to bounce back. And we want to stay maximum cap at 20,000 because we want coins that pretty much tank to the bottom, to the shitter, and we're hoping that they bounce back. Now, this isn't 100% foolproof. This is why we practice bankroll management. For hours, we want 4 hours because usually when a coin first bounces back, they don't survive. But if they usually be around after 4 hours, you might have a chance because sometimes they get that second pump. And we're really looking for the second or third pump, guys. That's where we're at, though. And sometimes in the second, third pump, a lot of these coins move. We're definitely gambling here, but the losses are going to be less severe in a sense. And sometimes you just got to know when to get out. So the maximum odds we want is 120. That's about 5 days. So this is what we're looking for personally. Now, this is my trick right here, guys. What I'm looking for, I could look for volume, but I'm looking for coins in the 5-minute mark that actually had a decent bounce back. And I'm kind of looking at them. Like Pigmoon right here, we're going to look at Pigmoon. We're going to see if they have a Twitter and if they have a Telegram. But if they have just a Twitter, that's fine with me, as long as they have a Twitter. So this one actually has a Twitter, guys. I don't know what it is, but sometimes you got to look at the comments. Sometimes the comments will tell you something if somebody's scam. I mean, different things. And I like to look at the minute chart and stuff like that. 'Cause I like to see how the candles are moving. It looks like this one's bouncing back. It's actually a pretty good one to get into for me right now. Now, this is what I'm doing, guys. I'm not telling anyone else what to do because I may get in at an early spot and it bounces back, or you may get in a spot you think is and it goes back. So it's starting off 0.04 trades, and we might be able to get one more. It's usually better to have more than one trade because you want to limit your odds. Like this one looks like it might bounce back. What I should have did was definitely see what the all-time highs in coin is. Now, this is actually a little different. This coin has 3,000 holders at a small market cap, which is insane. This coin went as high as 1.69, which means they definitely dumped on them. But usually there's a small chance it can bounce back, especially people are putting money on this. So this is actually a good play, 2 days old. It can potentially, now if it hits 1 million, that'd be interesting. That's a nice little profit. It's even to a point I may not even have to do another play. I can just get away with this play. Now if this play were to get let's just say 1 million, that's 100x right there. That turns into 700. But what I'm gonna do is once it gets to like 100%, 50, 100%, I'm gonna take some profits out, leave a small moon bag, and let the moon bag work. Now, if the moon bag tanks, it's whatever. I'm putting money I'm willing to lose, guys. This is what I'm doing. So if I lose this whole right here, though, I'm fine with it. Meaning that I'm not gonna be on my phone all day. I'm not gonna be trading all day. I just need 1 or 2 trades a day to be successful in this. Me trading 5, 6, 7 trades a day, I'm more likely to lose money than gain money. Now, technically speaking, do I find another play as good as this one? Maybe this any coin right here. Now, the coins that have like these right here, like these buy things, a lot of times they be I don't know. But I'm gonna look at any coin real quick. It went as high as around 100K. If I look at the 1 minute chart, uh, maybe it has a chance to do something. Let's look at the Twitter. It looks like they took the time to do a Twitter. Now, the social media doesn't mean anything. A lot of coins have social media and will rug pull you anyway. But at least they try to do something. Whereas the ones that don't try to do anything, it could technically be a play. But I think right now the best play I like at the moment, maybe even this Deller one right here. Let's look at Deller real quick. I like to look at the chart and how it's moving. Like, if it looks like it's like sniped, I'll stay away from the ones that look sniped. This Deller one right here might be a decent play. Retarded online currency Deller. Yeah, actually, hold on 1 second. Let's see what the 4 hour chart is. So when it's high at 300K, which means there's small chance it could bounce back. It's kind of hard to see with the chart. It's at 4. It went down to 14K. Now, I like to look for ones under 10K because the trash won't be as bad. This one is kind of tricky too. I mean, they're all gonna be tricky, guys. I ain't gonna lie to you. But you're looking for one that has a potential to bounce back. And this coin is 1 day old, and it's still around, meaning that it has 800 holders, a Twitter, nice decent following on Twitter. It has a narrative I like. I'm going to take a chance on this play too, guys. So I'm holding on to these plays right here. Viewer discretion is advised, guys. I can't tell you what to do. But this is what I'm going with. And you see I still have a little bankroll. But when you start off small, things are going to be a little bit difficult. And like I said, I'm not going to be on my phone and I'm not going to be looking all day, guys. But when I do check time from time, if I'm down 50%, I'm out. If I'm down, I'm willing to take a 50% loss on these coins, guys. 50% is going to be kind of tough to bounce back. And not saying it can't. Well, sometimes if I like a coin enough and I think it can bounce back, depending on the chart, I might add more to it, though. So it really depends. But the point is not to get greedy. So these are the 2 plays I'm doing using my Trojan bot. I'm riding with these plays for now, but I don't really want to hold anything past a day or 2 unless it moons or it gives me at least 60, 70% where I can leave a moon bag. With these small dollars, it's kind of hard. But everything has tons of potential, guys. Once we get to like $10, $20, it's a lot more profitable, but we still got to make profit in the beginning. But guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. On the road to turning 50 to 50K. Holla at your boy.